Welcome to online classes. Today we are starting class 8 lecture. So class 8 in class 8 first 3 chapters we have done already. So today we are starting from unit 4. Unit 4 is number system. Number system, as we know in a daily life, we are using numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 numbers are. So we use in this system just number 10 and there are so many kinds of number system. So I have defined here just 3 kinds of numbers. So inshallah we will discuss in detail in the next coming video. But in this just I am telling you about introduction of the basic number systems. So question number 1 is, what is base 10 number system? It is most important question. So answer is the number system that we use for calculation. In calculation, as we know better, in calculation which numbers we are using? 0, 1 to 9. Okay, numbers are grouped in tens. Here is 10 is written, down of 10 it is S means tens. It is called base 10 number system. So example 0, 1, 2 up to 9. These are included in number 10 system. Means it is base 10 number system. So question number 2 is, what is binary system? Binary system, it is very easy definition. Which answer is, the word binary comes from bi. Bi means 2. The binary system use only 2 digits, 0 and 1. In this system just we use 2 types of number, 0 and 1, and in a daily life we are saying that it is computer language. 1 is on, 0 is off. So like this way we use just 1 and 0 in base 2 system. In base 10 system we use 0 up to 9 numbers. So question number 3 is defining expansion method. This is method to apply converting the numbers into base. If a number is given in base 2 system, we will apply this method and convert it to base 10 system. See now, use the expansion method to convert a number in any other base 10 system. Means if a number is given base 2 system, we will apply this method and convert into base 10 system. Means if a number is given in base 2 system, we will apply this method, that number will be converted into base 10 system. How? It is very, I am defining here, example is given, here is down of 2, here is down of 10. 2 means it is written in base 2 system and 10 means it is written in base 10 system. First we know how we are converting this number into base 2 system and this number into base 10 system. See, let's suppose here is an example given 86. It is written in base 10 system. First I am giving example of how we are converting into base 2 system. Then we apply base 10 system. So base 2 system, just we simply factors of 86. We will take out the factors of 86. And it is very easy. In 3 classes, 4 classes, we have learned how we take out the factors. So for factors, we are applying table of 2. It is smallest table. And in this method, just we apply table of 2, no any other. So table of 2 on 8, table of 2 on 8, how many times? 4 times it is going. On 3, on 6, 3 times it is going, means 43. It is completed, no any remainder. So remainder is 0, we write here 0. And again we put the table of 2 on 43. 43, down of unit there is odd number, not even number, table of 2 will not complete both. So 1 will be remaining, we will write here. See now, table of 2 on 4, 2 times, and a table of 2 on 3, 1 time. Means from 3 subtract 2, 1 is remaining, so write here 1. Again, table of 2 on 21, 1 time. On 1 it is not going, give here 0 and here write 1 because 1 is remaining. So again table of 2 on 10 5 times, it is completely going, table of 2 on 10 5 times, 0 is remainder, so we write here remainder 0. Again table of 2 on 5 2 times, 2 to the 4. From 5 subtract 4, 1 is remaining. Write here 1 means it is remainder. Again table of 2 and 2 1 time 0 is remaining. So we have taken out the 86 factors. Now answer is starting from down 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 means start from here 1 0 this one 1 this one 0 this one 1 1 and 0. It is converted into base 2 system. We write base 2 system because we have already clear in a definition of binary system 2. The word binary means 2, just two numbers we use 1 and 0. So here come 1 0 1 1 0 means 0 1. Now we are taking example of how we convert base 2 into base 10 system. So I am raising here definition of first one. So we are taking here example of 1 0 1 0 1 1 2 and we have converted base 10 system. For base 10 system we use base 10 system. Start from here. Starting from 1, so write 1 multiply, give sign of multiplication, and base 2 system, so write here 2, give bracket, small bracket, and where from numbers are starting from 0, so we write above to 0. Give addition sign again. Now which number is starting from here? 1, so write 1 multiply by 2. Now 0 has been completed. Now after 0 1 is coming, so we write 1 plus. Now here is 0 0 multiplied by 2, and after 1 which number is coming? 2, so we write here above to 2. Again give addition sign and bracket start. Now 1 has been completed, 0 has been completed. Now 1 is here, so 1 right, give sign of multiplication, 2 above 2, give now after 2, 3 is coming, so we give 3. Okay, so now this one has been completed, 0 multiplied by 2, after 3, 4 is coming, so above 2 write 4, and down I am writing 1 multiplied by 2, above 2 which number will come? 5 will come. Till here it is completed. So now we are converting base 2 into base 10 system. Means we are using expansion method to convert into base 10 system. So start from here. If 1 is multiplied, if any number 0 is coming up of any number, that number will be completed into 1. Means 1 multiplied by 1. 0 किसी भी नंबर के ऊपर आता है तो बराबर हो जाता है 1 के, इसीलिए हम 1 लेते हैं. Okay, now give addition sign and write 1 multiplied by up to there is 1. If 2 multiplied by 1 time, answer is coming 2. Then plus 0 multiplied by, now 2 above 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 times, 2 to the 4. We write here 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2, how many times multiplied? 3 above means 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 answer, write down here 8 answer. So again give addition sign, write here 0, 0 multiplied by above 2 there is 4 means 2 multiplied by 4 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16 means here is a 16. Now this one I am placing from here, this one small right because we have completed this one. So give addition sign and write 1 multiplied by 2. How many times we multiply? Because above 2 there is 5 times we multiply by 2. So R we multiply 2 by 16, then 32 is coming. R see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 32 has come, so 32 I have written here. So So till here I hope that you have understood. Now we are multiplying, just it is simple multiplication. 1 1 1 plus 1 to the 2 plus 0 multiplied by 4. One thing you noted that when 0 is multiplied by any number, answer is coming 0. So this function has been finished, means write 0. Again 1 multiplied by 8, 1 8 plus 0 multiplied by 16, same 0 is coming, and 1 multiplied by 32, then 32 is coming. Just we have add these numbers. How we add? 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. 32 plus 8 40, 42 43, means 43 is converted into base 10 system. So students, hope that you have understood. Inshallah we will learn more in coming lecture. So take care of yourself and your parents. Allah Hafiz.